In this video, I'll show you how to set up a welcome email in Mailchimp. Once you are on your Mailchimp account, the first step is to head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side, and at the bottom, click on the third option, which is Automations. Now, in order for us to set up a welcome email, I do suggest that you use an automation. The reason for this is that whenever someone signs up to our campaign, it will automatically send them a welcome email. So at the top in the right corner of automations, click on the first option, which is build from scratch. That will take you to the flow details of your campaign. At the bottom, you want to name the flow. This will be auto welcome. And at the bottom, click on choose a trigger. Once you click on choose a trigger, we will start with signs up for an email. On the left-hand side, if you can't find signs up for email, at the bottom, click on contact activity. And in here, you will find the second option, which is signs up for email. Now, once you have the trigger, it will automatically be added. On the left-hand side, you can also include your imported contacts. And at the bottom, you can even filter by creating a segment builder. Now, on the segment builder, in here, you can create a segment for the contacts in which you have imported. And I do suggest that whenever you import a new audience, you want to set the tag. And at the bottom, the tag should be a new member. And at the top in the right corner, click on use segment. And the reason we added a segment is that whenever we include our imported contacts, it will only include the ones that are tagged as new members. At the bottom, click on Save Trigger. And once you click on Save Trigger, the next step is to add a step. Now, the step will be the action. So on the left-hand side of actions, at the bottom, hold Send Email and drag it within the step. Now, that will open the email. From here, you want to head over to the top and you want to rename this campaign. Let's say that this is an auto welcome. On the right-hand side, click on Save. Now, this is where you need to set up your email and make it look like a welcome email. So on the to and from, you want to add their to field as their email address. You can also add it as their first name. On the from name, you want to make sure that this is you, as well as the email address, so that whenever they want to reply, it will automatically be your email. At the bottom, click on Save again. Now we have the subject. Now, to set a subject and a preview text, in here, it is essential to add a subject within your campaign. From here, let's say welcome to Tesserina. On the preview text, what you can do is use AI to generate your subject line and preview text options. And once you're done, click on Save again. Now, what we need to do next is schedule. So when scheduling, I suggest that you do every day. This means that every day, Monday to Sunday, as well as to send it as soon as possible. The reason why we want to do this every day as soon as possible is that whenever someone signs up to our campaign at any day within any hour, it will automatically send them a welcome email. Now you want to select a template. Now, what I will use in here is my recently sent template. You can use any template in which you want. I will apply this template. And at the top in the right corner, make sure to save and return to Journey in order for you to go back to your automation sequence. And as you can see, we now have a welcome email. So when someone or when a contact signs up to our campaign, and the condition is that whenever we import a campaign and it is tagged as a new member, it will automatically send them a welcome email. And this is the simplest way to set a welcome email. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.